Hey friends, if you wish to stop hard drive from going to sleep in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Okay, so press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Now click on change plan settings. Click on change advanced power settings. You'll notice the option for hard disk here. Expand it. It says turn on hard disk after. If you can see the option for never, then change it to never. And for plugged into, change it to never. Okay. You have to click on the download pointing arrow. It will show never automatically. Click on apply, then on OK, and your hard disk will never go to sleep. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.